Hello children, I Bhavna Sorotia here to teach you mathematics in lessons 6 division part 5, and this is the last part of the division. So let us start. Mental maths, we have to do today mental maths, right? Now first divide 24 by 6. So you have to say the table of 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24. So where does it come? In table of 6, we divide by multiply by 4. So the answer will be 4. Now 160 divided by 10. We have already learned in our interactive classes that how to divide by 10. So let us revise once again. Now 160 divided by 10. So we have to cut the 0 of 10's place, 1's place in 10 and 0 at 1's place in 160. So now 16 divided by 1. So answer will be 16. Now 0 divided by 8. You know that we cannot divide 0 with any number. So answer will be 0. Now 78 divided by 1. This is also in property of division. We have learned that if we divide any number with 1, answer will be the same number. So answer will be 78. You have to complete this exercise with me. So please keep your textbook open and start doing it with me, right? The division fact for 20 minus 5 minus 5 minus 5 minus 5 is equal to 0 is. Now we have already learned in our video about division fact. So let us see once again. We have 5 one time, 5 two times, 5 three times and 5 4 times. So 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4. We have already learned this, right? Now divide the place value of 2 by the face value of 4 in number 8243. Now what is the place value of 2 here? Let us see. Place value of 2 and we have to see the face value of 4. Do not forget that. So place value of 2 is 200 and face value of 4 is 4. So we have to divide 200 by 4. So answer will be, now here is 20 and 4 5s are 20, we know, right? So and 0 we have to just keep there. So 200 divided by 4 is equal to 50. This also we have learned in during our interactive class. Number 4. A number less than 35 but more than 12 can be divided exactly both by 4 and 10. What is this number? Now we have to see all the numbers from 35 means 35 and between 12. So 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, right? Till 13. More than 12 means 13, right? Now we have to see the number which is divided exactly both by 4 and 10. Here, now 35. Now we know that any number divided by 10, there should be, the last number should be 0. So here 30. 30, but in table of 4 30 comes? No. So we have to go to 20 because there are only two numbers with 0 at the ones place. Because I already informed you in interactive class that if a number divided by 10, any number divided by 10, there should be 0 at ones place. So we have only two numbers, 30 and 20. So in table of 4, 30 does not come. So we have to see the table 20. Table of 4, 20 comes? Yes. So 4 5s are 20. So 20 is the number. I hope you have completed this. Now next page we will start our chapter test. I have done little, but you have to do it together. Okay, now here, write the division fact for the following. Now here the number is starting from 15 because can you see this is backward counting, right? Yes. So in 15, how many backward counters we can see? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We have done 15 minus 3, 12, 12 minus 3, 9, 9 minus 3, 6, 6 minus 3, 3 and 3 minus 3, 0. So how many times we have counted 3? Again we will say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer will be 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. This is called a division fact. Now this type of question I am going to ask. So please remember and learn this properly. Now here 42 minus 7 minus 7 minus 7. So we have to see how many times 7 we have counted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So the answer will be 42, right, divided by 7 is equal to 6 because 6 times it is there. Now 10 multiplied by 9 is equal to 90. But we have to write the division fact and I already told you how to do it. So 90 divided by 9 is equal to 10 and 90 divided by 10 is equal to 9. Both will correct. Okay, so 90 divided by 9 is equal to 10 or 90 divided by 10 is equal to 9. You can write both the ways. When multiplication fact is given and if you have to write the division fact, you can write in both the ways. Now use division or multiplication sign to complete each number sentence. Here we have been given 2 and 5, 2 and 5 and is equal to sign is given 50 and 5. So the answer of this both should come exactly the same. So we have to see which sign we can put. So here 2 and 5. Now you know that we cannot divide 5 by 2 by 5, right? So we have to write multiplication. So 2 5s are 10. Now here we have 50. 50 and 5. We can multiply but then the answer will not be same. So what are we supposed to do? Division. So 50 divided by 5 is equal to 10 and 2 5s are also 10, right? So answer should be the same. Now here 80 and 10, 24 and 3. So here 80 divided by 10, if we multiply 800 but 20 multiplied by 3 will not be 800. So we have to think and do the sum, do the correct sign. So 80 divided by 10 is equal to 8. Now if we multiply 24 by 3, the answer will be more. We need 8. So 3 8s are 24. We know that, right? So there will be also division sign, right? Correct. Now question number 3. Divide 84 by 7. So let us do this in the notebook. I have done down but you can do this in the notebook, right? Now 7 ones are 7. So 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. Bring 4 down. 7 twos are 14. 14 minus 14 is equal to 0. So answer will be 12, right? This is answer. So you can write the answer here 12. This sums, all this question number 3 sums you have to do in your notebook. Now 156 divided by 6. So in table of 6, 1 does not come. So we have to write 0 on the top of 1. 6 twos are 12. 15 minus 12 is equal to 3. Bring 6 down. 6 6 are 36. 36 minus 36 is equal to 0. So answer will be 26. I think now you all know how to do the division, right? You are thorough with this after so many practices. Now 2358 divided by 4. In table of 4, 2 is smaller than 4. So first we have to write 0 on the top of 2. Now 23 divided by 4. So 4 fives are 20. 23 minus 20 is equal to 3. 3 minus 0, 3. 2 minus 2, 0. Bring down 5. In table of 4, we have to see come till 35, but 35 does not come, so 4 8s are 32. Now 35 minus 32 is equal to 3. Bring 8 down. Again 4 9s are 36, and 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. So here 2 is remainder and 599 is quotient. These three sums you have to do in your notebook. Now let's go to the further number 4. Choose the correct terms from the box to complete each sentence. Division and dash are opposite operation. Now here all the words are given. We have to choose the correct terms of for the fill in the blanks, right? So correct form is multiplication. In the number sentence, 18 divided by 3 is equal to 6. Now what does 3 call here? Correct, 3 is the divisor. The answer in a division problem like 28 divided by 7 is equal to 4 is called the, now you know that in division answer is not by correct quotient. So you have to write quotient here. When you dash, you separate items into equal groups. What do we do to make equal groups? When we what we do? Divide, correct. So when you divide, you separate items into equal groups. In the number sentence, 45 divided by 5 is equal to 9. 45 is called the, now here I already informed you in my first slide, the first video, you can see that again. 45 is dividend, 5 is divisor and 9 is quotient. So 45 is called the dividend. Number 5. Joe had 25 buns. He bought 35 more buns and put them equally on 5 serving plates. How many buns were on each plate? So first we have to add 25 and 35. Then we have to put them equally. So 25 plus 35 is equal to 60. Now 60 divided by 5, because he put them equally on 5 serving plates. So 60 divided by 5 is equal to 12. So in each plate 5 buns will be there. This sum also you have to do in your notebook. Question number 6. Show the division fact 16 divided by 2 is equal to 8 on a number line. Now first you have to draw a number line starting from 0 till 16. So here 0 and 16, right? Now you have to count by backward counting by 2. Here you can see I have already done 16 by 2 minus 4 means 2. Backward counting 14, 13, 12, 12, 11, 10, 8, 6, 4, 2, 0. So how many times we have done? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have jumped 8 times. So answer is here already 8, right? So this also you have to do it in your notebook. Number 7. Write less or greater than in each. Now 48 divided by 8. In table of 8 where 48 comes. Let us say the table of 8. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 six are 48. So we have to write here 6. Now 15 multiplied by 0. As per the properties of multiplication, we know that if we multiply 0 with any number, the answer will be 0. So write 0 here. So what sign will come? Greater than. Correct. Now B. 84 divided by 12. So here 12 sevens are 84. And 119 divided by 7. So 7 17s are 119. You need to learn the table of 12 to 20. So here which sign will come? 7 is less than 17. So less than sign will come. Here 36 divided by 3. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So 12 will be the answer, and 9 times 2 means 9 twos are 18. So which sign will come? 12 is less than 18. Now multiple choice question. Number 8. What is the quotient when 58 is divided by 7? We have to say the table of 7. We have to go till 58 or less than 58. So 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 sixes are 42, 7 sevens are 49, 7 eights are 56, 7 nines are 63. 63 is greater than 58. So we have to go before number. So 7 eights are 56. Now here question has asked what is the quotient, not the remainder, because 58 minus 56 is equal to 2. 2 will be the remainder. So the quotient will be 7 eights are 56. So 8. So circle on A, 8. Number 9. There are 24 flowers planted in a flower bed. The flowers are red, yellow, purple and white. Now every fourth flower, please remember it is written here, every fourth flower. Every fourth flower is red. So how many red flowers are there? So 24 divided by 4. In table of 4 where 24 comes? 4 6 are 24. So we have to circle on A. The answer is 6. Now Pintu wants to pick 875 marbles equally in 7 bags. How many marbles are there in each bag? So let us do division. 875, right? 875 marbles equally in 7 bags. So we have to divide 875 by 7. So here let us do the division. 7 ones are 7. 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. Bring 7 down. 7 twos are 14. 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Bring 5 down. 7 fives are 35. So what will be the answer? 125, right? So thank you and have a nice day ahead.